Hello friends, welcome to my channel Fusion Next Gen Learning. If you're first time you're on my channel, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get latest update from Fusion Next Gen Learning. In today's demonstration, we are going to cover how to hide infolets in cost accounting distribution dashboards. So there are a couple of infolets available within the cost accounting distribution. So based on the business need, you can hide respective infolets so that it avoid the misinformation to the business. So if you notice that if I click on the cost accounting and within the cost accounting, if you notice that there is a no infolettes available. So I have hidden the all the infolettes within the dashboard. I can enable based on my users so that it will be available across the users. Globally, I can control all the infolettes area. And if you try to see, then within the my infolets also, it won't be visible. So how we can achieve this kind of requirement? So in Oracle Fusion, there's a one profile option which you have to enable. So let's go to the setup and maintenance. Within the setup and maintenance, you go to the task, click on the search, and then as search the manage admin profile and try to search. So manage administrator profile values. Once you click on the task, you have to enter the profile option code aura underscore cst underscore hide underscore infolets. Once you click on the search, you will see that currently this option, I have enabled it at the site level, but for the all, if you want it to be enabled for the user, you can enable or disable for the respective users too. So based on the business requirement, if you want it to be set globally, you can set it up at the site level. And if you want it to be hidden for a specific user for certain information they can't see, then you can customize at the user level. So in those cases, you have to search at the user level. For site, it's all. So let me delete this. So I am enabling again all the infolets and we'll see and we'll come back to the same profile option and we'll see how it is impacting a useful for the businesses. So let me go back to the, so since I removed all means no infolets will be hidden from the cost accounting dashboard. So if you see, now I am able to see all the infolets. If I go back and if I want any infolets to be disable or all, you can go to the setup and maintenance. Again, we'll go to the task, search task, and then search. So I have searched the manage administrator profile values and I'll search again the. So now I want hidden for all. So I have set the profile values all. I'll show you that what all options available and how you can in the system and disable specific one or all. So I am again enabling the all condition and we'll click on the save and close, go back. So I'll click to the home. We'll go to the cost accounting and we'll see that there is a no infolets available. So we have hidden back all the infolet at the site level. So this will be disabled for the across the user globally. And if you want specific, then use the user label and set the profile option at the user label for a specific infolets. So you have to use the profile option aura underscore cst underscore hide underscore infolets. And you have to set this at the site level or the specific user level. Now, if you see that these are the profile option values available in the Oracle Fusion. So these values you have to set. So let's take example. I don't want all to be hidden. I want only last underscore cost underscore roll up to be hidden. So let's go back to the UI. We'll go back to the profile option again. How you can hide the specific one in Infolets. So for that, you have to click on the manage administrator profile values and let me search. So in place of, so what we have the work order underscore costs. So you can put work order underscore costs. And then you can put the comma. So I want recent underscore exceptions to be hidden. So you can put recent exceptions. So I have entered, after comma separated, I have entered the work order cost. So these infolets and recent exceptions. So these two specific, values I have set. Now I'll save and close. So if I click on the cost accounting and within the cost accounting, if you notice that work order cost as well as recent exceptions. So two infolates are hidden and those will be hidden across the users since my profile values set at the site level. So you keep remember you have to use these values with the comma separated. So which one you want it to be hidden set at the user level, or if you want globally, then set these values at the site level. This is how you can achieve this requirement in Oracle Fusion. Thank you. Thank you for watching my channel, Fusion Engine Learning. Keep subscribing, keep watching. Happy learning.